We booked this tour on TripAdvisor and are really happy that we did. Skipper Dushko messaged us the evening before and we arranged to meet in Trogir, closer to where we were staying and cheaper parking. He was waiting for us at 9 a.m. on the dot. What a cool guy. Really friendly, good to talk to, and we felt in safe hands. He came prepared and had beers and cold drinks in the cooler, which we really appreciated. We didn't really know what we were doing, so we're happy for Dushko to make an itinerary for us. Our only preference was to go places that would be less busy. It was an amazing day out and we would do it again in a heartbeat. The photos are amazing and much better than any of our other days. Just a side note, we weren't that hungry and almost skipped lunch. What an error that would have been. The restaurant we went to was gorgeous. In case it helps anyone, we paid $100 for the skipper and $200 for gas. We also gave a modest tip. We are happy to 100% recommend this trip and Skipper Dushko. Thank you. My family and I booked this trip last minute yesterday. We received confirmation in the evening with all the details, where to catch the boat and our skipper's contact information. We got in touch with Ivan, our skipper, in the morning through WhatsApp and he was ultra responsive and professional. We felt this was going to be a great guide immediately. He picked us up in front of the Ambassador Hotel, perfect spot to board the boat. The boat was super clean and literally almost new. Ivan asked us what we wanted to do and created the perfect day for us. He took us to a really good restaurant on an island named Turan, highly recommend. We felt well taken care of and safe at all times. We cannot recommend this company enough, and particularly Ivan. Thank you. We, party of 2 almost 60 and 2 adult sons, had a great time with Luca as our captain from the split pickup location. They answered questions before I booked timely, communicated about location pickup and were an excellent group to deal with. Read the description and don't give negative marks because you weren't prepared. You pay the booking fee, then the captain and also fuel. They arrive full and you pay to refill it. The fuel payment can be credit card, very close to drop-off point, or we just got out there, it was so close. Water was on board. I wish there was ice, since we brought beer and snacks, but the cooler still kept it cool. This was one of our best days in Croatia. Duye was on time at the discussed meeting point. He was very kind and polite. He suggested places we should/could go to and reasons why other places weren't optimal. He also took us to a few more remote/quieter places, which was fab. It was a very special and relaxed day, not rushing from one place to the next. He then took us to a restaurant in Milna, which was an absolute gem. Nicola was incredible and the food was absolutely delicious. Duye was very friendly and definitely knows how to handle the boat through choppy water. I would definitely recommend Adriatica Charters and Duye. We had a very memorable and fantastic day. Thank you, Duye. We had the most amazing day on the water. We booked Antonio's boat and he was quick to answer my many questions before booking. The skipper messaged me the day before to introduce himself. His name was Dushko and he was awesome. I asked if he could bring us waters, fruit and snacks and he did. He picked us up at our hotel, Le Méridien, and that made it easy. He knew all the perfect spots to swim and booked us a beautiful table and a seaside cafe for lunch. We went to more swimming spots after and then stopped in a cute town for gelato before heading back. We will for sure be back and will book with Antonio and Dushko again.